In this video, I will show you how to get YouTube TV free trial. So to get started, go ahead and open YouTube TV on your device. Once you're signed in into the application, you'll be able to access all of its sections, such as the live section, home section, and the library section. So under the home section, you'll be able to find all of the channels that are currently live on YouTube TV. Now on the library section, you'll be able to find your recorded new airings. Hit on that start free trial button at the top right of your screen, and this will take you into the section. As you can see in here, the base plan contains the channels that you can access, and as a new user, you actually have a 2 weeks free trial access on YouTube TV. So hit on that next button to move on to the next step. So as you can see in here at the left side, you can actually add more channels that you can incorporate with your base plan. So you can find in here the NFL Zone, HBO Max, 4K Plus. So if you want to have access to this channel, you can simply check on that, and that will be added to your billing for the month and for every month. After you have selected all of the channels that you want to add, go ahead and hit on that checkout button to pay for this subscription. And this payment section will pop up on your screen. So on the payment section, you'll be able to actually select your payment method. So after you actually enter all of the information for your payment method, you can just go ahead and hit on that start membership button to start your membership on YouTube TV. If you're just going to avail the base plan, you'll be able to actually deduct no fees on your payment method. So do that, just go ahead and uncheck all of this additional or add-ons, hit on that checkout button all over again, and once you actually check out, you'll be able to find that your total for today is $0. You just need to enter your payment method and the details of your payment method, and hit on that start membership button to avail YouTube TV's free trial. And that is how you can simply get YouTube TV free trial. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.